Hello and welcome to Sugly Shed Motors. This is going to be a really quick little tutorial on how to make something that I think every welder should have. All I need is two things. An old set of vice grips or mold grips. This is just a set that I've had in my box for a while that I'm not too precious about. And then one of these. Now this is called a magic arm. Now these are designed for camera work and camera equipment, but you can pick these up on a very well-known internet retail site for roughly 20 British pounds, and it comes with the clamp on one end and the other end is just a sort of metal camera thread screw, and then in the middle we have this adjustment knob. So when you loosen this knob off, it's completely adjustable. The arm can be moved in which way you want. It also has the ball joints on either end, so you can kind of manipulate it whichever you like, and then when you're happy with the position, you lock the knob and that is held in place. This is going to be very, very useful. So all I need to do is join the vice grips to the thread portion over here. They're both made of steel. This is a tool for a welder. It makes sense to weld them together, right? I now have this completely adjustable clamp. So clamping into the edge of my welding bench here, I've got my vice grips here. I can loosen this and tighten it and it holds its position. Let's say we want to weld this little piece of metal here. I can just clamp it in the vice grips, slacken that off. Say I want to weld it to, I don't know, this piece here. I can tighten that down. That holds it in position for me. We can fire up the welder. I think every welder should build one. It's very simple, it's very cheap, and it's very effective. If you think so, leave me a comment, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you next time. Take care, goodbye.